Go bird. At it again. We're at a new spot. I like this spot, man. Plenty of room, nobody around. And most of all, go bird likes it, don't you? Yeah, see? The birds already know not to mess with go bird. The word's out. Get up there, darn it, too high, man. Calm down, go bird. Well, when you first put on the battery, especially, you want it to just take off. Don't you, go bird? Don't go bird. See? I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm not even paying attention. I'm just looking at flying the thing. I don't know where I'm at as far as the camera, so I maybe should just shut it off right now. But in case I... Okay, Gogo Bird likes this place. Turn, Gogo Bird. There he is. Gogo Bird. Gogo Bird. Gogo Bird. Ooh, you see that one? Okay, I gotta go and pay attention to what I'm doing here. See you on the go-go side.